Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you will find today's my video topic is parrot drones technology models name. Parrot is a now for producing variety of drones with different features and capabilities. Here are some parrot drones models along with their key technologies. 1. Parrot NFI. The Parrot NFI is a foldable drone now for its compact design and 4K HDR cameras. It features a 21 megapixels camera with 180-degree tilting gimbal, allowing for versatile shooting angles. The NFI also boasts advanced flight modes such as follow me and orbit, making it suitable for various videography and photography tasks. 2. Parrot NFI Thermal. This version of the NFI drone is equipped with a thermal imaging camera, making it ideal for applications such as inspections, search and rescue, and environmental monitoring. It combines the feature of NFI with the ability to capture thermal image and video, providing valuable thermal data in addition to standard visual footage. 3. Parrot Beep. 2. Parrot Beep Pop. Parrot Beep Pop 2 is a lightweight and compact drone designed for recreational use. It features a 14 megapixel camera capable of recording full HD 1080p video and capturing still imaging. The Bebop 2 offer a stable flight performance and initiative controls, making it suitable for beginners and casual flyers. 4. Parrot Disco FPV. Parrot Disco is a fixed wing drone designed for immersive first person view FPV flying. It features a unique wing design and built FPV camera, allowing pilot to experience the thrill of high speed flight from the drone's perspective. The Disco offers long flight time and stable flight performance, making it ideal for aerial exploration and photography. 5. Mambo Parrot Mambo. The Parrot Mambo is a mini drone designed for fun and educational purpose. It features lightweight and durable design along with modular attachments such as a grabber and cannon. The Mambo can be programmed and controlled using Parrot's free flight mini app, making it great tool for learning about drones, technology and programming. These are some of key Parrot drone models. Each offer unique feature and capabilities suited for different application and user performance. one parrot is a versatile and drones tailored for aerial photography. And thank you watching this video. After this is today watching. Thank you.